Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 28th September 2021. Today we discuss about the inheritance in a Java. Firstly, what is the inheritance? The inheritance, it is a mechanism in which the one object can acquires all the property and the behavior of the parent object. It is an the inheritance, it is a mostly important and the main part of the object oriented programming. The idea of the inheritance to create the idea of the inheritance, that is, you can create a new class on the basis of the existing class if you can inherits from an existing class, then you can reuse the method and field from the parents class, and you can also create a new methods and the fields in our current class. The inheritance can represented as a ISA relationship, and it is also called as the parent child relationship. The inheritance can used to reusability of the code and the overriding method. The syntax of inheritance is class, subclass, class. Firstly the class, then the subclass name, extends, then subclass name. The extends is the keyword that can show that you can making a new class with the help of existing class. The terminology of the Java is can the term in the terminology of Java, the inheritance is called as a parent and the super class, and the new class is called as a child and the subclass. The types of inheritance in a Java, there is 5 types. First is single, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple, and the hybrid. But only three types of the inheritance can be mostly used in our Java language, that are the single, multi-level, and hierarchical. The hybrid and multiple types of the inheritance can be support only the interference. Firstly, what is the single inheritance? The single class can inherits the other class is called as the single inheritance class. The example of single inheritance class: firstly, the dog class, which can inherits the animal class. The second one is the multi-level inheritance. What is the multi-level inheritance? The multi-level inheritance means it is a chain of inheritance that is called as the multi-level inheritance. The example of multi-level inheritance is firstly the baby dog class. It can inherits the dog class, and dog class can inherits the animal class. The next one is the hierarchical class. The hierarchical instance. The hierarchical instance, it is called as when the one or more than two classes can be in inheritance by the one class is called as the hierarchical hierarchical inheritance. The example of hierarchical inheritance is the uh, the dog class and the cat class is uh, inherits the animal class. It means the child and child class inherits to the parent class.